Under the subject of quality, reliability and engineering of degree semester 7 in mechanical engineering department, today we are going to see the experiment number 14, which is a case study on product life cycle. So first of all, let us understand what is product life cycle. So the product life cycle represents the stages a product goes through from its introduction to the market until it is withdrawn. It helps organization in planning marketing strategies, production levels, pricing and promotional activities. There are four stages in product life cycle. First one is introduction, means the product is introduced into the market. Second one is the growth, means the sales of that particular product rise. Third one is the maturity, means the rise of the sales volume is stabilized, and the fourth one is decline, means the sales volume of that particular product is declining. So these are the main four stages of the product life cycle. So in today's case study, we are going to see the case of a product life cycle of a Hero Splendor motorcycle, which was one of India's most successful two-wheeler products. So in this, let's see the first stage, which is introduction. So it was introduced into the market in 1994, and the introduction stage lasts from 1994 to 1997. The objective was market entry and customer awareness. The company used the strategy after launching the Splendor as a reliable and fuel efficient bike with the tagline "Feel it, set it, forget it." It was a 97.2 cc engine with almost a mileage of 80 km per liter with low maintenance. The marketing focus was extensive advertising, strong dealer network, and word of mouth promotion. So, as it is introduction phase, initially the sales was slowly initially low, but it grew as consumers began trusting the brand. The second stage is growth. So the growth stage lasts from 1998 to 2005. The rapid increase in demand as Indian middle class income rose. The strategy they used was expanded production capacity, introduced new variants such as Splendor Plus, Splendor NXG, enhanced styling and comfort features, focused on rural and semi-urban markets. So the results are Hero Honda become the market leader in the commuter bike segment, with Splendor being the highest selling motorcycle in India. Both sales and profit peaked due to the increased brand loyalty and repeat customers. The third stage is maturity stage. So maturity stage lasts from 2006 to 2014. The market saturated, and they also faced the strong competition from Bajaj, TVS and Honda. So at that stage, the strategy should be a focus on maintaining brand loyalty through consistent quality, minor design and feature upgrades like alloy wheels, self-start, price optimization to retain market share. So promotional offers, finance options and rural expansion, these were the marketing focus. So the sales at this stage was stable but the growth slowed. Hero Honda maintained its leadership but faced pressure from the newer, sportier models appealing to the young consumers. The last stage is decline stage. So the decline stage is from 2015 to present. The customer preferences shifted towards stylish, high performance bikes like Honda Shine, TVS Apache. So they face the challenges like technological obsolescence, environmental regulations of a BS6 norms, increased competition from electric two-wheelers. So for the strategies they are adopting for the revivals are they launch updated models like Splendor iSmart with fuel injection and eco-friendly engines, brand repositioning, emphasizing reliability and value for money, digital marketing for young consumers. So at current stage, Splendor continues to sell moderately well but is no longer a growth product. it is in the late maturity or early decline phase of its product life cycle. So, what are the key insights? In product life cycle stages like introduction, growth, maturity, and decline. So each stage has a different characteristics, and based on these different characteristics or a stage, a company should have a specific strategy. For example, in introduction, product is launched and high promotional cost and low profit will be there. So what should be the company strategy? Brand awareness and fuel efficiency focus. So at each stage, based on these characteristics and stages, the company should have a proper company strategy to gain the maximum benefits and extend its PLC stages. So based on this case study, Hero Splendor case, we can understand that the product life cycle helps companies make informed decision about like product design and innovation, pricing and promotion strategies, market targeting and diversification. Even though Splendor is now at its maturity or decline stage, effective marketing and technological upgrades have helped it sustain demand for over 3 decades, making it a timeless product in India's automobile history.